Welcome to our deep dive into Beyond Bank Australia, one of the leading customer-owned banks in the country. If you're considering this bank or just curious about its offerings, stay tuned as we simplify the complex and help you understand its services. Beyond Bank is renowned for being a customer-owned institution, meaning that profits are reinvested into providing better services, not lining shareholders' pockets. It offers personal banking, business solutions, and wealth management services, aiming to cater to diverse needs. Advantages customer-owned benefits. Since it's owned by its members, profits go toward improving services and customer rewards. Sustainability focus. Beyond Bank emphasizes green banking initiatives and investments. Competitive rates. It provides competitive loan rates and flexible banking options. Community engagement. Known for supporting local communities through partnerships and funding. Disadvantages limited physical presence. Compared to major Australian banks, Beyond Bank has fewer branches, which might inconvenience some users. Fees on certain accounts. Some accounts come with maintenance fees, so reading the fine print is crucial. Complex terms. Understanding the full terms of service may require careful review, which is why we're here to help. Cost overview. Beyond Bank offers a mix of fee-free and fee-based accounts. Some personal accounts are free to maintain, while others might charge up to $10 per month. Its loan rates are competitive, often falling within a range that suits many Australians looking for home or personal loans. Be mindful of additional costs like overdraft fees and international transaction charges. Services break down personal banking, accounts, credit cards, home loans, and savings plans designed for individuals. Business solutions. Flexible loan options and accounts tailored to support small businesses and entrepreneurs. Wealth management. Advisory services for investments, retirement planning, and financial growth strategies. Digital banking. A user-friendly app and online platform for everyday banking. Tasks. Beyond Bank Australia is ideal for those who value community-driven initiatives and ethical banking. Its commitment to sustainability and competitive rates make it an attractive option for the right customer. Ready to explore more banking insights? Hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you found this helpful. Don't miss out on more content. Stay tuned for our next review.